Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your HP Envy Photo 7800 series all-in-one printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser and you want to search for HP Envy Photo 7800 drivers into Google. Best results should come back with a support.hp.com webpage that reads HP Envy Photo 7800 all-in-one printer series. Open that up, and then on this page you want to scroll down and locate the item in here underneath HP Easy Printer Setup Software. Select the download button, and then once it's downloaded to your computer, go ahead and open that up to extract it. Should be signed by a verified publisher. It should say HP Inc. Go ahead and select yes to begin that installation. Should be a pretty easy walkthrough process on the screen here, depending on your connection type, whether it's wired or wireless, and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.